What is up, guys? Logan here again with another video, and this is another sponsored video that I'm super grateful for. Again, we're going to hop into Defense Metal Corporation. First off, I want to say thank you guys for all the support. If you guys could leave a like on this video, it would help me out greatly. And we're going to be live on YouTube tomorrow, and I'm really excited on Friday morning, so I cannot wait to see you guys there, and this will be the first live stream I've done in a long time. So let's hop right into Defense Metal Corp, and let's see what they're about. You can find them on the TSXV under DEFN, and then you can also trade them on the OTC under ticker DFMTF. Delivers critical resources to ensure both homeland security and green technology development. By 2025, the homeland security market could grow to $846.5 billion US dollars, with the green tech market potentially rising to $36.6 billion. According to Forbes, China appears to be hoarding rare earth minerals for its own domestic use as companies and governments face worldwide shortages. Rare earth elements are critical for use in the electric power industry. They have significant military and national security applications, and in the production of green energy technologies such as high-strength, lightweight rare earth magnets. As North America and the world move toward widespread adoption of electric vehicles and other green technologies, there could be upward demand pressure on critical RE magnet metals, principally NdPr2. Rare earth commercial applications, we have the medical field, we have batteries, electric motors, camera lenses. Rare earth metals, or REEs, are a group of 17 chemically similar elements crucial to the manufacture of many of the products mentioned above. These REEs are also very critical for defense applications. And then we can do the defense applications, where we have a couple words that are a little hard to pronounce, but we'll use NdPr, CE, and La. And one company is focused on the mineral deposit acquisitions containing metals and elements commonly used in the electric power market, military, national security, and green technology that you need to get on your radar now. Defense Metal Corporation, this company looks well positioned to meet the demand for North American sourced critical REEs. Defense Metal Corps may have one of the highest grade road accessible deposits and the potential to reduce the political and strategic risk of the current reliance on hostile country for REE sources. So we can see here, DEFN has the potential to be a major domestic supplier of critical rare earth metals. And then you can see the Wichita deposit that we have in North America. This is in Canada. And this shows a lot of the imports and kind of the trade flow origin. China currently controls the rare earth refining market. You guys can see we got a lot of action, a lot of exporting coming out of here. Lack of North American domestic refining and production poses a risk to security and defense. As tensions rise with China, a push to source critical LREES domestically is essential to American foreign policy. Then we have the top 10 reasons to consider Defense Metal Corporation. There is a severe need for rare earth metals worldwide. China appears to control almost the entire rare earth market. If the status quo continues, annual demand growth may not keep up with the supply. Rare earth metal defense corps could significantly aid North American REE supply. DEFN may have one of the highest grade road accessible deposits. The widespread adoption of electrical vehicles. The Wichita deposit is located in British Columbia, Canada. Rare earth drill results seem to indicate large-scale higher mineralization as its Wichita product. Right, so those are a couple of them. Then we can take a look at the encouraging returns and bullish technicals. In 2021, the DEFN stock seems to have rallied significantly. The stock appeared to start the year at a low of around 26 cents per share. From this point to mid-February, it looked to have peaked around 75 cents a share, good for a return about 188.46% on your investment. When the broader market saw some pain in the second half of February, which I felt a lot of in my software stocks that I'm in and my tech stocks, the DEFN stock appeared to pull back to about 36 cents. However, from here, the stock seemed to catch strong support with a solid reversal to about 44 cents a share, a return of roughly 22.22%. With demand for rare earth looking like one of the biggest stories now and in the future, this could mean more potential for the stock. You can see if we look down here, we bounced off some support after going all the way up to 75. Now this is very extended here, as you guys can see, way off our trend line down here. Also, the MACD was very overbought, and then we're coming back into oversold territory, and it looks like it's rising as it held support here And that's one thing with technical candles, right? It doesn't really matter how far it hammers. It really depends on where the stock price closes to kind of show how strong the trend is. Fundamentally, the company seems to have some things to like too. The company appears to have an Altman Z-score of roughly 48.1. This measurement is usually a good indicator of financial health and bankruptcy risk. Usually companies want a score of 3 more or less. Defense Metals has a score nearly 16 times greater than this. That's outstanding. Plus, the company seems to have a current ratio of approximately 16.1 times and a quick ratio of nearly 11.5 times. These figures indicate that DEFN can likely meet its short-term liabilities with more than enough current assets. For comparison's sake, take a look at another rare earth company, MP Materials, which appeared to run from approximately $9.78 a share to a peak of roughly $51.77. I've heard about MP. I was looking at their stock the other day, actually, on MP. Defense Metals Corp could have that same sort of potential. And if we look here, what a move, breaking over this 50-day moving average and pulling back to it and just holding trend ever since then. Who is Defense Metals Corp and why could they have strong positioning? And it says Defense Metals Corp is a mineral exploration company focused on advancing its approximately 1,700 hectare Wichita rare element project located near Prince George, British Columbia, Canada. Plus, with a small market cap of approximately $23 million, Defense Metals could have ground floor potential while maintaining strong positioning to meet North American demand. And if we want to learn more about the property, we can do that right here. The Wichita property consists of approximately 6 mineral claims covering an area of roughly 1,700 hectares, and it's also located about 80 kilometers northeast of the city of Prince George, British Columbia. Wichita's favorite mineralogy and lanthanide distribution makes this a potentially mouthwatering LRE deposit. The company claims that Wichita has 2 specific rare earth minerals, monazite and, wow, that's a big word right there, monazite and synchasite. Most importantly, this offers ground floor potential for vertical integration to support a rapidly growing market and reduce reliance on China. All right, most impressive, the project claims, if you guys want to check it out right here, here's the location of the property. There's Prince George. Defense is also led by a powerhouse team with Craig Taylor as their CEO. With significant potential for industry growth and considerable strategic advantages, the all-star management team heading this company could be just another notch on this impressive company's belt. So that's going to be everything for me about Defense Metals Corporation. But I just want to say, when you guys are making any investments, always do your own due diligence. I'm happy to share this company with you. Of course, this is a sponsored video, and I appreciate all the support as always. You guys can see the disclaimer below and also in the description as well. So that's going to be everything for me, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your night and rest of your day trading tomorrow, and I will see you guys in the next one.